Hello, Amy the Potter here, and today I'm finishing up my 21 buckets of glaze. I've been processing all these buckets behind me for days. This is day 3, and I just left the 3 or 4 hardest glazes to deal with for today. I left the difficult ones for the end. So, but it's okay, because the great thing about being a production potter and doing anything in a series is that you learn so much. I learned so much more by doing things in large series than I ever would doing one-offs or just a couple at a time, and that goes for this too. You might have seen my other video about getting the crusty, so check out this rim. This glaze I've probably mixing for 20 years or something like that, using the same exact bucket, something along those lines. About that, yeah, maybe even longer. So over the years, just from hanging my little plastic measuring cup over the edge and then just kind of closing it up when it's done, it's built this like total cement. Like that's an inch thick right there of cement. You know, the rim of a bucket is maybe 1/8 of an inch. So we have some serious buildup here. I made another video about this, but this is the this is the crown glory of crud on the rim glazes. And I just figured out this great hack, and I'm gonna just show you one more time. Now I've gotten glaze all over my hands. Hold on a sec. I'm gonna show you how I get the glaze off the rim, which was this great hack I figured out. And I just have to videotape it one more time with this really extreme example. I just think it's so amazing, and I wanted to do one where I did it in a way that you could really see it. Okay, let's do a couple things here. It's a beautiful day in Eugene, Oregon. The wind chimes are singing, and the air it's not as hot out as it's been. And okay, so here we are. So my great new hack is that I figured out that if I put my knee here and I pull, it's just still magic to me. It breaks the stuff right off the rim. So I want to make sure that I get some really good examples of this, really good angles for you, because it's just, I mean, literally, I've been trying to get this off for years, and what I've been doing is just, I'd put like a wet towel around here, but nothing would work. Nothing worked. So here we go. Let me see if I could do it where you can see it. I need Mima here to film for me. I'm going to put it on my knee. I'm going to pull it towards me, and all of these pieces start. I'm just going to go around because it's just so exciting. Oh my gosh. Look at that come off. Oh my gosh, this is it's just magic. These pieces are so hard. Now somebody asked me in one of my other videos, would it be worth it to try to reconstitute that? And I said, no, that's way too much work. But with this glaze, I use Cornwall stone. The glaze is called Temoku Gold. And I got the recipe off the internet like 20 something years ago. Excuse me while I keep working here. And anyway, I don't think it's the Cornwall stone that does this, but it's what I'm saying is that that's an expensive material compared to some of the others that we use in pottery. I think I might have just broken the bucket, but that's actually okay. Anyway, so this might be valuable to me, so I'm going to just put it in some water, see what happens. I don't think anything's going to happen because water has not seemed to be effective until now. I'm getting the last piece off right this second. Check it out. That is so intense. Look at all this stuff that just broke off the bottom. It's like if I broke it down, it'd probably be 2 cups worth. So that's like so energizing for me. My Temoku Gold bucket now has a clean rim. Look at that. This is a whole new era for Amy the Potter. Follow me for more discoveries, tips, and fun in the studio. And also living our best life as we do the whole thing. You know, really having a mind, body, spirit experience.